Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Camila Garcia and I am an art journal passionate about all things floral, and I like to explore floriography in my art journaling practice, and inspired by that I have created these free guides. They are seasonal flower guides, I would say. I have created the fall flower guide and the winter flower guide. They are based on my monthly flower guides that I share within my newsletter. So if you want to have access to these two free guides, as well as to the monthly doses, I would say, of flower inspiration, you just need to subscribe to my newsletter. But in these guides, I basically explore 4 flowers for each month. So in the winter guide we cover the January, February and March months. So I give you 4 flowers for each month, with their floriography meanings, some art journal, quick art journal ideas, I would say, some interest facts about these flowers. I also share some journaling prompts to inspire your reflection around the symbolism of the flowers. And I also provide 2, I would say, in-depth creative practices inspired by the flowers of each month. So this is what I have for you, and today I want to show you how I create a spread in my winter floral journal inspired by my guide, and the inspiration came from basically using some of the flowers. I printed the guide, and instead of follow one of these ideas that I have here, I just want to show you that you can explore the images in the guide to create anything that you want. So this is my winter flower guide, winter journal, winter floral journal, and I have created a couple of pages in this journal already. So I have this one, I think I have another one here somewhere. Yeah, this one is was created upside down, but today I want to create a full spread with you, inspired by iris. Iris, I think, reticulata. This is a kind of iris that blooms during February, and its meaning is around, let me show you. This is a February, what is it? So hope and wisdom. So in the guide it says that iris reticulata carries meanings of clarity, courage and thoughtful communication, fitting as winter begins to soften. So with that meaning in mind, and exploring the images of the guide, I will create a spread for you. So yeah, so basically what I have here, I have printed the guide in a A4 size and used this image and the image of this one also to create this spread. And I have this image of vintage image of a lady that I think it will match with the flowers. But before adding these, I want to add some papers to create a background. So let's get started. So this is the end result of my pages. I completed the sentence here. It says now move forward with courage, and I have added this embellishment and some splash of metallic purple throughout. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out and how I have translated the meaning of iris to the pages. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed what my process create these pages inspired by the flowers of my winter floral guide. This is a free offer that I have, and to have access you just need to subscribe to my newsletter. I will leave the link for both of the guides in the description. So yeah, once and again, I hope you have enjoyed, and I see you in the next video. Bye.